Right, so hello guys, right, if you wish to learn some stalls and some awesome things you can do with stalls, please stay tuned. Right, so hello guys, we're going to start learning the easiest stall, which is the downward stall. So, first of all, what you need to get the hang of is bringing this down, but on the moment that this says pointing at 9 o'clock, you're going to follow this directly down with your hand like so. So you're going to go whoosh, and then as soon as this stick, it's 9 o'clock, push down. And that is the idea of this downward stall. You do exactly the same on the other side. So we're going to go here. So when this is pointing at 3 o'clock, we're going to follow this down until you can get this motion. So in slow motion, this downward stall will look like this. So hello guys, right, next of all we're going to learn this awesome side stall. So this side stall looks really cool because it gives a nice visual flair to your style, because it makes the nunchaku really straight in the air. So we're going to go right into the move. So if we start this off now down here at around about 6 o'clock, we're going to make our way around the clock all the way to 9 o'clock. And on the moment we hit 9 o'clock, we're going to push it forward. So we hit 9 o'clock and then we push forward. It's exactly the same with the other side. So I'm going to show you this now when it's in full swing, like this. So as you can see, as soon as I make my way to 9 o'clock, I'm pushing in either direction of 9 and 3 o'clock. So in slow motion, this move will look like this. With stalls now, so they look like this. So they're reasonably hard. I mean, I'd rate them intermediate to advanced because it involves really exact technique. So I'm going to break down the technique right now. So first of all, what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to concentrate on this part of the clock here. So you haven't just got 9 and 3, okay? You've got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You know, 3. All of this bottom portion of the clock, okay? So you're going to go from bringing this round, this stick that you're holding, you're pointing it round, and as soon as you hit 9 o'clock, right, you're going to point this stick from facing 9 o'clock to going up like this. So it's almost this motion, so it goes like this, yes? So you get in this motion here, and then you're going to follow and chase this bottom stick, and the bottom stick's going to chase the top stick as it's going up like this. And then as soon as you've done that stall, you're going to concentrate and you're going to bring this back round to 6 to 3 o'clock, and then it's going to go up like this. So we go from here to here. And what's happening, yeah, as soon as you go from pointing this round and this is going up, this bottom stick, yet again, is chasing this top stick. You're just going to bring this down on the rate that it's falling, as you see. So if you hold this up here, yeah, and then you let it fall naturally, there is a sort of motion that you could bring it round, and it will literally be seamless and it will just flow. Right guys, your up stalls in slow motion will look like this. Alright, I'm going to show you another one now, and it looks like this. So, that is going to be the prerequisite to learning the next move, which is this. So, we're going to break down the first prerequisite. So, you've got the side stall, which we learned first, second I believe, in this tutorial. When you get this side stall, what you're going to do is you're going to flick this up. This is going to go around and you're going to bring your palm down like so, okay? So you go into your side stall, flick your hand up, it's going to make half a rotation, and you're going to bring your palm down on here, like so, onto the opposite stick. So you're going to go here, palm up, lift, it will make half a rotation. You will bring your palm down to palm grasp it like this. So in slow motion, this move will look like this. So guys, right, we're going to take some moves that we've learned earlier on in this video and we're going to add them all into a neat little combo. So the combo looks like this. So a lot happens there. So we're going to take our upward stall. From here then we're going to let this fall in front of the back of our hand. So it's going to come in front and then fall down, and then we're going to push it forward into a side stall. So that will look like this. In slow-mo, that will look like this. Right, so once you've got here and here, and you've got this side stall coming on, right, what you're then going to do is you're going to raise this in the air, but instead of raising it directly up, what I want you to do is I want you to raise it and bring it towards you. That will cause this to fly in this motion here behind your back. So go 1, 2, 3, and you need to catch the rope behind your back. From here, yeah, you're going to take your left foot and come forward, and you're going to go into this chain of minder, then thumb roll, and then eagle pose. And that is basically the full move. So in slow-mo, you go. Done. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time, guys, for another tutorial.